YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do today. Hopefully you guys had a good one. Everybody is safe. And we're about to see what's inside. And you guys can check them out. Add it to your cart. And they'll ship this to you. What's up? Go. And here we are. Coming from WiMaxit. Yeah, WiMaxit. I get it. Multi-touch portable monitor. Ooh, very nice. 15.6 full P-top PC game console. So you can hook up the Xbox, you know, all that good stuff. Nintendo Switch, Steam Deck, high definition, IPS panel, USB-C, HD, power delivery. Alright. It's always a good thing. This is nice. Definitely excited to see what it is and how it displays. I'll bring my Xbox out once I get it. So we'll take a quick break in a second. Oh man, it's nicely snugged. Oh, there's a tape right here too. That's why. So there's two pieces of tape, and should slide out a lot better now. Here we go. Wait, backwards. It's been a long day, guys. And here we go. We got the power adapter. It's always a good thing. So you can take this on the road with you. You can always edit videos and stuff like that on YouTube, you know. It's always good to have extra one of these. Hook your phone up to it or upload your videos. Oh, got some weight to it. Good size. We got some goodies at the bottom. And got the one is HDMI, or I think it's this one. Okay, here's the HDMI. These are USBs. That's a good thing. And we got a little quick start guide, or here we go. Put that over there. Here's a USB or HDMI. Here's a nice little cloth. And we got this. Not gonna need it. Really easy to set up, but you can take a look. This shows what comes with it. All that good stuff. Gaming consoles. Stuff like that. So, there you go. Easy peasy though. You guys should be professionals. Now it's doing this. Now we're gonna see the merchandise. Put this right there. Put you up a little bit for a second. Let me move this here. And now we're gonna take this. There we go. Ooh, this is a nice case. Oh yeah, this is classy. Very professional business type. Look at that. Ooh. It has a screen protector on it. Oh, I got some extra one. Right there. Ooh. Okay. Oh, wow. Look at this. Maybe you can have a keyboard or something up there. Let me show you guys the sides. OTG, USB-C 1, USB-C 2, HD. Oops. Right here is a power and the menu. Headphone jack. Oh yeah. Ah, this is nice. You could definitely put some gaming into this one. Alright, let me grab my Xbox. We'll be right back. Alright guys, I just plugged it in. We got the blue screen, which is no big deal. Gotta turn on the Xbox. There I am. There we go. Hey, the lights are gonna be a glare. Hold on. Alright guys, this is what it looks like. Hopefully I don't get flagged. Alright guys, here it is. We got it all set up. Looking good. It is a touch panel, so I mean, volume's here. You can change the brightness. You can select your inputs. There you go. There's a volume. Turn that down just in case of copyright. Not sure with this game. And then take a little gameplay. There you go. It's kind of hard to do it with one hand, so. But yeah, the graphics look really good. So you can look up your PS5, NES Switch, your Steam Deck. So definitely check them out. And the links will be down below. Bam. I already got them. There we go. You can adjust the bottom. Oh, I got dead. Whoa. Sonic boom. Uh-oh. Cowabunga. Alright, guys. We'll see in a second. So here it is. And then let's multi-touch. So definitely check them out if you're looking for a good portable monitor. WiMaxit. Links will be down below. You guys be safe. Have a good weekend. See ya.